Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to show message previews on Messenger when you receive a text message or any kind of notification on Messenger. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen and then click on the settings button at the top. After that, you should scroll down to notifications and sounds. Tap on it. And here you can see the notifications subcategory. That's the second option, show previews. So by enabling this feature, you can show message previews in alerts and banners when you are not using the application. In order to turn on this feature, all you have to do is clicking on this show previews button on the right side of the screen. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.